Come to the dinoflagellates. So dinoflagellates are mostly marine and photosynthetic. Being photosynthetic, they have a pigment and pigments colors name, and I have a trick for that. That is baby G red dye, right? So baby say black, brown, green, red, and dinoflagellates are these are the pigments that are present in the dinoflagellates. They have a stiff cellulose plate on their outer surface, right? And next is they have two flagella. One is longitudinal and second is transversal and present between the wall plates. Red dinoflagellates, that is called example gonelex, that due to the rapid multiplication cause red tides, and they release toxins that kills marine animals, especially fishes. Now it's a euglenoid. Euglenoid are freshwater and found in stagnant water. Instead of a cell wall, they have a protein-rich layer that is called pellicle, which is flexible. They have a two flagella. One is long and another one is short. They are also photosynthetic, that is, and have a pigment that is identical to the higher plants. And in the absence of a sunlight, they behave like heterotroph by predating the smaller organisms. Example, euglena. Now is slime molds. Slime molds are saprophytic, so they move with the dead and decaying twigs and engulfing the organic material. Under suitable condition, they their plasmodium form aggregation. So they actually aggregate, and that is called plasmodium, right? And under unsuitable condition, unsuitable condition, what actually the plasmodium differentiate and form fruiting bodies, and fruiting bodies later on form spores. Spores have true walls, and they are extremely resistant even under adverse condition too, and their spores are flowed by air currents. These point that we remember about the slime modes. Now we'll come to protozoa, right? So first line that we must need to remember, it's all. So that is all protozoa are heterotroph. So maybe they are parasitic or they may be predator. They are the primitive relative to animals, right? And next we will come to first protozoa classification is amoeboid. So first point about the amoeboid is they live in fresh water, sea water, and the moist soil. Okay. Next point, they move or they engulf the food material by with the help of their pseudopodias. They have silica walls or silica cells. Example, uh, Entamoeba histolytica, example of amoeboid. Now, second classification is flagellated. So flagellated means what? They have the flagella, and they are either free living or the parasitic. Example, they cause sleeping sickness, and example is trypanosoma. Next is ciliated protozoa. Ciliated protozoa are aquatic. Second point, they have a cavity or the gullet that opens to the outside of the cell surface. So the coordinated movement of the rows and the cilia help the movement of water laden with food particles into the body or into the gullet. Example, paramecia. Sporozoans. Sporozoans, that means name itself indicating that have a spore like stage or infected spore like stage in their life cycle. That's why they are not sporozoans. And plasmodium is an example of this, and plasmodium is a malaria parasite, and they cause staggering effect on the human population. So next point is this, right? So that's it about the what protozoans, that points they need to remember. So आप basically I could say कि आप लोग ऐसे ही एक एक पॉइंट्स रिमेंबर करते जाइए. मैं एक बोलूँ उसके बाद आपको वो पॉइंट रिपीट करना है, राइट? आफ्टर द होल पैरा रिपीटिंग you need to again remember those points, and again you need to say or repeat that statements, right? इस तरह से आपको याद हो जाएगा.